Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from flea market. I thought I'd show you a few things I got. Not that much today, but a couple of cool items. I get this Craftsman number 3953 tape measure. Another one to add to my collection. This one has a pretty cool look. I don't know, maybe 60s or something, I guess. I don't know. But the tape's in pretty good condition. I got this pocket knife, key fob pocket knife with a little can opener on there, puncturing tool, and then a little blade here. It says Prov Cutco on there.